So, do you want Bluetooth music in your Toyota and you don't want to change the head unit? Then this is the thing for you. I've had this in a couple of my other cars from this brand, Blue Music. It's always worked flawlessly, so this should be a super quick install, and hopefully it just works. So in the RAV, you need to remove this, and there's two 10 mils at either side, and then the radio pops out. After using a trim removal tool to remove those panels, there's a 10 mil there, 10 mil there. And now that's that. Just gonna pull the radio out, and we're gonna connect this into the back of the radio. So that's it. It's the 6+6 thing, so it fits most Toyotas, but if you check the ad, you can check does it fit yours. So let me plug that in. So that's that plugged in right there. And now I should just be able to switch this on. And then press disc 1, track 1. I'm going to connect to this with my Bluetooth. And then also with the steering wheel, I can adjust the volume and skip the track. That is absolutely perfect and exactly what I needed. Super quick install. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps you out. Wow, look at that. Straight from my phone. That's so sick.